going to show you guys how I grilled my Cajun style prawns, and these are all the ingredients that I prepared. First, our prawns, it's already peeled it off the skin, and then we are also gonna use paprika, Cajun seasoning, and then we're also gonna use organic lemon flavored extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Let's start it. Okay, so here is what we're gonna do. I have some couple of paper towels here, and then we are going to dry off our prawns just to make sure there's no liquids in it, so it can absorb all the seasonings that we're gonna put it. Just that. Make sure they're all dried before we're going to start seasoning them. So I might gonna need more paper towels. Let me just get more paper towels. Okay. This kind of dish. So this kind of dish, it's also good with some rice, like the cilantro lime rice that I normally make, or the wild rice. That's also good with this kind of dish. This is also good with salad, for example, any kind of salad, but I usually put in the Caesar salad. Okay, so now they're dried. We're gonna put back in this bowl. Okay, and then we're gonna add some salt, some black pepper, and then we are also gonna add our lemon flavored olive oil, maybe about 2 tablespoons. All right, our Cajun seasoning, paprika, and then we're going to mix all our the seasoning that we put in these prawns. So I'm just gonna get gloves again just to make sure it's all mixed. All right, so I'm just gonna mix all of our seasoning in these prawns. Let's just, it smells so good. Okay, and then I have some skewers prepared here. Oh, smells very nice. So I am going to start to put them in the skewers now. Very easy. Just put like that in the tail, like that. Easy to make. This is also good with some vegetables like bell peppers, or mix with zucchini with red onion. If you guys want something kind of more healthy, more vegetables in it. Okay, they're gonna be done soon. And then for the grilling process, so we're going to grill them about just a couple of minutes. We are not gonna grill them for so long, because we don't want them to turn jerky. So there you go. There you go, guys. Here is my Cajun style prawns. They are ready to grilled soon. So here is our Cajun style prawns. We grill them about just about 10 minutes roughly. They're very smell so good. And then we are going to mix them with our Caesar salad. So here is my Cajun style prawns on Caesar salad. There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please like and subscribe.